Hello everyone, I am Neeraj and I am undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur and I am in section 15 and my roll number is 21AA317 and I make this video regarding my DIY lab assignment using FreeCAD. Here I am make a rocket and I show here I make a rocket in FreeCAD. I show how I make rocket in FreeCAD. First of all, we have click on file and open our file and this is our my rocket and this is look like this and I rotate this my rocket. This look like very awesome. For drawing these things, this kind of rocket, we have first of all click here part function. We have go in part workbench and here is a cone. We have to create cone using this function and this is a solid cylinder or after clicking this function we have create solid cylinder and this is a cone and this is a four cone and this is a four cylinder and this is also four cone. So after selecting this cone and this hollow cylinder solid cylinder we have first of all create body and join every part of this. This is also cone and after doing this we have to this is a fill it button select this edges and click here to fill it and this look like very awesome and this is our design of drawing for this design we have to go in mesh design and go to mesh and there have to select and look like this. I select this surface and go mesh and create a mesh and go this function and create ok button so then this look like very good. This is our design which are created. For exporting we have to select all parts of this rocket, so I select all parts with the help of control button. I select every part which I draw in this rocket. I use control button and select every part. After selecting mm, we have to select every part using control button. We have to select all part with the help of control button. After selecting all parts the figure look like this. We have to select all parts. Here I select all parts. Now um, go in file section and click export button. After clicking this we have save file rocket 11 save and now I am going to print. I use our Quera software. Clicking this Quera software, this for opening this take so long time. After uh, this is a software which is used for printing any model which I draw in FreeCAD. This is look like this and we have to go in file section and we have to go open file and this is our rocket 11. We have to draw in this. After clicking this it look like this. it's look like this. And after this we have to rotate using this button. We have to, first of all we have to select body and we have to rotate this. So we have to rotate first of all this rocket, and after rotating we have to straight and click here. After clicking here, this is look like this. I show you how this is look like. This is look like very awesome. And after after doing this kind of things, we have to go this and we have to go in many kinds of, this is quality. We have increased quality for stronger. This is a wall function. We have increased thickness of wall, and this is a infill. We have to increase 100 up to 100%, and this is a material printing temperature. We have also increased speed of printing here. Here is printing speed 70 millimeter per second. We have to increase, and after doing this kind of things, we have click on slice, and after slicing that showing 44 minutes. This 3D model print in 44 minutes. That's all. After printing this, we have our model is ready to see anyone. Thank you for watching. This is our first lab assignment. Thank you for watching.